Hey everybody, thanks for using Multibot. In today's video we're going to go through some exciting new features for our big milestone release, Multibot 1.0. Super exciting news. Virtually every bot had small changes, bug fixes, stability, uh, lots of great stuff to come. Encourage you to go out and get this release as soon as you can. One of the biggest user-facing changes that you're going to notice right away is now you no longer need Twitch affiliate to use all of our bots. Before, some of our bots required bit donations, and if you weren't Twitch affiliate, you effectively couldn't use them. Things like Coinks and Celebration and text-to-speech and those things. That has been fixed. Now you no longer have to charge for those bots if you don't want to. By going in and setting a price of 0, it gives a default command for how to do it. So for example, in the text-to-speech bot, if you set the price at 0, you can see here it tells you the default command is !TTS. So then your users can do !TTS to do text-to-speech if you did not want to charge for that. Likewise, the jump scare bot has the !scare by default if the price is set to 0. The biggest change kind of in our funding model, Multibot is free, will always remain free, but we have launched our Patreon, so we do have some premium features that are available if you are a active Patreon subscriber. To unlock those, if you go into the settings app, we have a new section here for the Patreon code. So we have a website where you can copy that URL, go to it. It's also linked in the Patreon. You verify your Patreon login. It'll ask you, hey, do you trust Multibot Web Services to Multibot Patreon Web Services, whatever the bot's called, that website, to read some of your information on Patreon. You log in with your Patreon information, and we validate that you have an active subscription. And it will give you a code, and that code will be good as long as you're an active Patreon member. No need to ever change it. Should you lose the code or reset your computer, you need a new code for whatever reason, you can go back to that website, re-verify it. It'll invalidate your old code and give you a new code. The one kind of quirk about how everything operates and what happens, so when you get your code, if you do become a Patreon, thank you, you go to that website, you'll get the code. I have a sample dummy code here. If you put in your code and hit save, it'll tell you it's been successful saving. In order for that to take effect, you need to relaunch Multibot. Once you've done that, the code is still saved in there. What that enables you to do is now you can edit the price in bits. If you are not an active Patreon subscriber, all the bits are set to 0 and you can't edit it. So we only charge you money if you're making money from Multibot. If you're not making money from Multibot, your channel's not big enough, you don't think it is, then no pressure to become the Patreon member. But when you want to start charging for it, it'll unlock that feature. And so that's universally true for any of the bots that you can charge money on. The other kind of really exciting new big features, we laid a lot of work has been done into the Celebration bot for Coinks. Lots of prep work has been done to start launching a Coinks global leaderboard. So your users' scores get reported back to some web services on our end that will be launching soon. Look forward to that. That'll be exciting. Again, thank you everyone for using Multibot.